friends, Vanakkam, Namaste, good morning. So yesterday we had a very heavy rain. So my chocolate paddy seedlings were transplanted on Sunday. It's only 2 days old. Let's see, is there any damage to our young ones? Okay. So we haven't planted actually. We just placed it on the mud. Okay, so you can see here. Can you see? It's just placed here. Nothing happened, even after heavy rain. So nothing happened. That's so wonderful. We just placed it. Can you see the miracle? It is so beautiful. We haven't done anything. We just placed it. And see? So it's rooted. So it's not coming out. And about this guy, see, he has developed so huge roots. And it's so wonderful, miracle. It is always fun to do farming in a creative way. Okay, guys, thank you very much. So we'll keep in touch. See you.